Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a slow-release palm formula that provides steady nitrogen and potassium without burning roots. Measure the trunk diameter and use roughly 1/2 pound per inch. This scales the dose. Once done, clear mulch away from the base so you can place granules directly on soil. Make a shallow furrow in a ring 1 to 2 feet out from the trunk, because roots that take fertilizer are mostly in that zone. You now spread the granules evenly around the prepared ring. Do not pile fertilizer next to the trunk because concentrated salt can damage tissue. Once spread, use a rake or hand to lightly work the granules into the top 0.5 to 1 inch of soil. This improves contact but keeps roots covered. Then water slowly and deeply. That activates slow-release prills and moves nutrients into the root zone. Make sure to saturate without runoff, because consistent moisture helps uptake. You finish by scheduling repeat applications every 3 to 4 months during the active growing season. Younger palms need smaller, more frequent doses. Once applied, monitor new fronds for healthy green color. Yellowing signals nutrient imbalance, moisture stress, or pH issues, so test soil if unsure. If you see fertilizer burn, brown, crispy leaf edges, flush the root zone immediately with 5 to 10 gallons of water per square foot to dilute salts, and hold off on fertilizer until recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.